Hi, Rod Ballard again, Marketing 463. Just a follow-on to the video I published earlier on performing the analysis of variance calculations, and a follow-on or in addition to the video that I published by way of Zoom earlier in the week. What you see here is Excel spreadsheet and the data set distributed in an Excel format. And if we were to run down through each one, down to 200, actually a total of 200 respondents, they would have responded in various ways to our questions. How important is a large selection? How important is the effectiveness of a sales team? How important is overall quality in a Toyota vehicle? And these other questions have to do with repair work and speed and dealership and reasonable pricing. I purposely blocked these out because our instructions have asked for us to do 3 questions, 3 how important is questions. Likewise, I've come over here and these would be in X7 through 12 in that column that asks the same questions, and I have those blocked out. Now, this feeds into an ANOVA tab like this, and it gives us the information of the various questions, actually all 12 questions from 200 respondents. And here we have the mean for each of the 12 questions. Remember that it's 6 questions repeated twice. And the first 6 are used for one purpose within PSPP or within Excel, and the second 6 are used for the analysis of variance, or the ANOVA. So here's the same information that you have calculated in the PSPP, although there may be subtle variations, slight differences in the total calculations just based upon the data set and the way that Excel processes versus PSPP, but essentially the same distribution. I hope you find this helpful. God bless.